Hello and welcome to XRM1 Business Solutions. XRM1 is a globally active software manufacturer for business solutions based on the Microsoft Dynamics platform. We are offering solutions for project, HR, and idea management, as well as time tracking.
Hello and welcome to today's training session for Effort to Complete. This training session is concerning CRM-Project, the software for professional project management in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. What is Effort to Complete? Assume you have assigned man days to somebody, like we have assigned 2 man days to a person. He's now working on this, so he's entered 1.5 man days, but he will figure out that he needs some additional work to do it, so he needs 1 more day effort to complete the job that he has assigned. Then he would like to enter that so that we have this half day also added on his man days assignment. How do we set this up? I go to my Dynamics CRM system, I navigate to projects and then open up a project. I will open up my I1 CRM Implementation New York project, go to the planning table. I would like to show it from here, the man days that I have assigned. So I see Paul Morrison, for example, has assigned 8 man days to the main project. If we open up the header, say actual man days, we can see that this 2.6875 hours are entered already. Now he's entering his time. This effort to complete can be used from several time entry sections. For example, from the fast time entry, I'd like to start with that because I think that's the easiest part to do. So I'm gonna open up the fast time entry. So I go back to my project view, go to the fast time entry. I can here enter the time that I've worked. So I've worked, for example, additional 4 hours. I did some documentation. Select the project. I was working on the main project, and now we have this button here called ETC for effort to complete. If I open this up, I can see the remaining work that I am planned for this project, and I can here say how much more time I would need to fulfill this job. So I can, for example, say I need an additional man day, and you see as soon as I enter additional work into here, another field will appear, so I need to enter the reason for this additional man day. So I can inform the project manager why I need this more time. So I can say, for example, change requests, say OK, and then if I mark this task as complete, the 4 hours are entered against the project and I have requested 1 additional man day. Let's see in the project what happened. I minimize the screen, I go back to my project, I go back into the planning table. And now if I go into the actual man day, we see that this half day is increased by the man days entered and 1 additional man day is entered to the man days assignment for Paul Morrison as well. Now what is happening in the background? If you are the project manager and you want to recognize these man days assigned this additional work, you have a workflow that's implemented in the background. You can activate that and you will get an email notifying that there's an additional work requested this man day, or the project manager also will have that in his dashboard. So if I go in my dashboard, in the project manager dashboard, scroll down, I see this effort to complete, and you see that originally was planned 8 man days and now we have assigned 9 man days, so there's 1 additional man day requested for the project. This effort to complete can be more work but can also be less work, but we will also notify that here and you will see that in the email you will automatically send through the workflow. This is the way you can do, for example, the effort to complete within the fast time entry. You can also do this effort to complete from an appointment. Let's do this. I'm going to create a time entry for an additional day for again this project. So I say a training effort. I select the project, my user. I'm going to add a whole day. So, and if you have saved the appointment and you scroll down, you will see the remaining work, so the effort to complete section. You see the remaining work. You can here tell additional work. And as soon as you say additional work, we say this is now completed. We don't need any additional work. This is completed. We can say why. Save that, and we tell that the effort is completed, so the times will go down for the project. The same way works with all other CRM activities, so means you can also use that from the rapid time entry when using the rendered services. So if I, for example, open this up and open up the rendered service, you will also get the effort to complete fields to change.
For more information regarding our products, services, customer experience, and support, you are invited to visit our website, xrm1.com.